In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase video quality in DaVinci Resolve. If your exported video looks softer, more compressed, or just not as clean as it did inside your timeline, there's a very simple setting you can adjust before rendering. In DaVinci Resolve, the export quality setting plays a big role in how much detail is preserved in your final file, so if you want the best possible result, this is the place to check. To begin, go to the Deliver section. This is the page where you prepare your project for export, and it's where DaVinci Resolve gives you control over the final output settings for your video. Once you're in the Deliver page, look for the Video Settings area. This section includes the main options that affect how your file will be rendered, including resolution, frame rate, codec, and quality. Under the Video Settings, find the Quality option. This is the setting you'll want to focus on if your goal is to increase export quality. Click on it, and you'll see the available choices. In most cases, the best and high options are the highest quality settings you can use here. These options allow DaVinci Resolve to preserve more visual information during export, which can help your final video look sharper and cleaner, especially after uploading or playback on larger screens. If you want the best result available from this menu, choose Best. If you want excellent quality while keeping file size a bit more manageable, High is also a strong choice. Which one you pick can depend on your needs, but both are typically better than lower quality settings if image clarity is your priority. And that's it. Once you change the quality setting to High or Best, you've taken the key step to increase your exported video quality in DaVinci Resolve. As a quick tip, always make sure you check this setting before exporting, especially if you're rendering an important project. It's easy to overlook, and using a lower setting by accident can reduce the overall look of your final video. If your footage already looks good in the edit, this helps make sure the exported file holds onto that quality as much as possible. That's the full process for increasing video quality in DaVinci Resolve by adjusting the export quality setting in the Deliver page.